Hello everyone, greetings from Construction Management Training Institute. Construction Management Training Institute is a professional training institute working towards development of construction professionals as per the industry requirements. The institute is founded by eminent group project management professionals in 2017 having average experience of 25 years in construction management. We are offering online and offline training courses for civil engineering students, architects, working professionals as per the requirements. Till date, we have trained and placed 750 plus budding engineers in various construction companies in India and abroad as well as per the employer's satisfactory standards. We had aligned with 100 plus companies for internship trainings and placements. We have also signed up with 30 plus leading engineering colleges in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu for industrial training programs on campus. Few colleges are Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, SJCIT, SJBIT, BGSIT, Nittai Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Manipal Institute of Technology and many more colleges. Our syllabus is included in curriculum of autonomous colleges and we represent on board of syllabus in various colleges. We had set up an incubation center at Sona College of Technology at Salem, a leading college in...
Hi, good morning. My name is Azen. I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu. I did my ICCM course, Intermediate Certificate Course on Construction Management in Prayojana CMTA Bangalore. Under the process, I learned practical as well as theoretical knowledge, and then now I am working in a corporate company.
I am Amrita Bhatt. I am from Sissi, Karnataka. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering in BIT College, Bangalore. I got to know about Prayojana Institute by one of my lecturers from college. I am with Prayojana from since 1.5 years. I have trained here for internship training also. For 1 week of internship training, classes were held in institute. After that, I've gone to site. I've done my internship in Oceanus Dwellings Private Limited as a site engineer. The construction was residential apartment building. I've learned their QS and other things as well. Then in July 2019, I've joined ICCM course in Prayojana Institute. My course was started with softwares like MS Project and Primavera, which was done by Radhakrishna.
Hello everyone, I am Mudalvan from Thiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu. I completed my graduation in civil engineering from SKP Institute of Technology, Thiruvannamalai in 2018. After my course completion, I got placed in a construction company. I worked as a site engineer for 1 year, but my desire for the profession went deeper that I quit my job to gain more knowledge in my field. It was my luck that one of my friends referred Prayojana Institute, where I did intermediate certificate course on construction management, which is also known as ICCM, where I learned about construction and interiors, which helped me to get a better knowledge and skill about construction and interiors. Prayojana Institute also helped me in getting placement.
Good morning all, my name is Shobik and I am from Kolkata. This intermediate certificate course in construction management has helped me to get my infield skills and compare it with the theoretical knowledge that I studied in college. Also, it has offered me to get a job.
Hi, I am Nitin Leda. I am from Bidar. I have completed my BE Civil Engineering DEC Bidar. I am pursuing ICCM course in Prayojana Institute, Bangalore. I have got to know about this institute through one of my friends. Here I have learnt about BBS, bar bending schedule, how to prepare a bar bending schedule, how to calculate the estimation of quantities. In this I have learned about footing reinforcement, column reinforcement, slab reinforcement, beam reinforcement, how to prepare in Excel as well as manually I have learnt about it. And next
I am Rashmi from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology and I am currently in the 8th semester of Civil Engineering. I have taken up an internship training program from Prayojana to be ready for the industry as soon as I graduate. On the first day, we learned about the basics of project management and what are the different techniques and skills required for construction management. We also got to know about what are the different legal aspects of construction, and we also learned about the different bylaws that we need to know before starting any project. On the second day, we learnt about the sequence of construction from the start to finish. in detail. We learned about what is the first step until the last step, up to the process of finishing and handing over the keys to the client. We learned every single step in detail with the consideration of time duration. On the third day, we had a field work session and we learned how to do markings of a footing on the ground, which can help turn any plan into reality. And the afternoon session, we learnt about the quantity surveying and how to estimate the excavation earthwork, and also about RCC. On the fourth day, we learnt about bar bending schedule, how to estimate the weight of steel required, and how to put that in Excel sheet and make the process faster instead of manual calculations. On the fourth day, we took up a real live project given by sir, and we did the bar bending schedule starting from the foundation up to the plinth beam, and all the calculations were done in detail and the doubts were clarified then and there itself. On the fifth day, we learned about what are the safety measures to be taken at site, what is the importance of safety, what are the measures taken in case of an accident, and what are the different rules to be followed to maintain the safety and security of yourself and others during the construction project. The most important thing we learned on the fifth day is how to prepare a CV so that it can consist all the components required by the industry so that you are ready to be accepted.
Tamil Nadu. We are offering many various online courses such as Intermediate Certification Course on Construction Management ICCCM 8 weeks course, Short Term Certificate Course on Construction Management STCCCM 4 weeks course, Project Planning using MSP or Primavera 4 weeks course, Quantity Surveying using Excel and AutoCAD 4 weeks course, BIM Construction Courses for Architectural, Structural and MEP Engineers, Interior Designing and Site Management course 4 weeks course, Site Engineer Infrastructure course 4 weeks, Quality and Safety in Construction 4 weeks, Internship course 6 semester students and 7 semester student, Civil and Architecture background. We do conduct customized trainings for corporates, and lot of corporates are aligned with us for training requirements. Freshers are not accepted by industry easily, so our finishing courses helped a lot many students to find out an employment in their interested domains of construction. We do support soft skills training, which is most important to get into industry. Our institute has industry accepted syllabus and trainings provided by ex-L&T officials and trainers having 30+ years of experience in construction. Do watch our CMTI Connect for the knowledge gain videos by experts, and watch student learnings in CMTI Connect YouTube channel. Do join our Telegram channel by sending a message to 8884422279 for construction updates and job openings and many more. Our website is www.prayojana.org.in, and contact number for call and WhatsApp is 8884422279. Get your experience here and remove your fresher tag. Be industry ready before you graduate from the college. If you are a working professional, enhance your positions to next levels. So please enroll with CMTI for online courses. We do offer free counseling sessions with experts for career guidance. Thank you.